Hey folks, it's Mike Montgomery with Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows, and Doors. We're out in Sun City putting a screen door on a customer's home. We'll get back to you with more details. Click the like button and ring the bell. Thank you very much. 512-863-5145. So we're at the customer's house in Sun City. We're going to take this screen door that we've rescreened and we've put a new door handle and a new door closer on it. We're going to replace it back on this door. Okay, so we've got the door tacked in at the top, and we're going to continue putting screws in it to get all the screws back into it. All the way, let it go. That right there is a successful door. Now they're closed. Door successfully rescreened, rehung with a new door closer. Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows, and Doors. Ring the bell. This is Mike Montgomery with Skinner's Custom Screens. Thanks for watching our videos. Tap the bell and please subscribe.